In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Google Forms. QR codes are incredibly useful for sharing links in a quick and easy manner, especially if you're presenting in person to a group or distributing information in printed materials. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills you need to generate your own QR codes for any Google form with ease. First, let's start by searching for the appropriate tool online. You'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Google Search. In the search bar, type in "How to create QR code for Google Forms." This search will lead you to a list of resources and tools that can facilitate the creation of your QR code. As you browse through the options, look for a reliable and trusted QR code generator that's easy to navigate. Some popular choices offer straightforward interfaces and robust functionality, which might make them perfect for beginners. Once you've selected a QR code generator you're comfortable with, open it up, and it'll be time to link your Google form. Start by opening the Google form that you want to create a QR code for. Ensure that the form is properly set up and that you have the correct permissions for sharing. You'll need to make your form accessible to anyone who might scan your QR code, so double-check these settings before proceeding. Next, copy the URL of your Google form. Go to your chosen QR code generator and look for an option that allows you to paste a link or URL. Paste your Google form link into the provided field. Some QR code generators might also offer customization options. This can be a great opportunity to tailor your QR code's appearance to fit your needs or match any branding you might be using. For instance, you might be able to change the color, shape, or even add a logo to the center of the QR code, which can make it more visually appealing. After you've pasted the URL and made any desired customizations, look for the Generate or Create button. Clicking this will process your link and produce a QR code that links directly to your Google form. Most QR code generators will offer a preview of what your QR code looks like, ensuring it's to your liking before you save or download it. Finally, make sure to test the QR code using your smartphone or any QR code scanning app. Open the scanner, point your camera at the QR code, and verify it directs you to the intended Google form. Once verified, you're all set to use this code in handouts, presentations, or anywhere you expect your audience to benefit from easy access to your form. By following these steps, you're now ready to create and share Google Form QR codes with confidence. Whether it's for educational purposes, surveys, or data collection, the seamless accessibility that QR codes offer can greatly enhance your distribution methods.